Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to configure your project to start creating live activities. This feature was released in iOS 16. That was 2 years ago in 2022. And only last year Apple allowed users to update their live activity using push notifications. So in this case, the idea is to create this live activity, the Duolingo live activity. So let's start to create the project. We will start from scratch and let's name this Duolingo live activity. And then let's hide this and let's start configuring all that we need to allow this application to display live activities. So we will be using push notifications. So in this case, I need to add this capability in the main target. So let's look for push. Then you need to add this. This will add this entitlements file, and then you need to add a new widget. That's where we are going to program the live activity. And let's hide this, and now let's add a new target, and you can find widget extension. This is also used for simple widgets. Let's call this I don't know, Duolingo live activity maybe. Let's not change anything here. This will be added to our project automatically. Yes, let's select activate. Let's change the scheme. And we got by default a bunch of files. We won't be using all of them because we have some files created automatically for creating a simple widget. So let's first add the things that we will need. We will need this image, the beard, and that's the image that we will display in the live activity. We have a bunch of things that we don't need actually. So there's another important thing that we need to do, and is to add a new property in the info.plist, which is called supports live activities. You can just start typing and it will appear. It's a boolean property, and you have to change it to yes because it will be no by default. Then we can start removing things that we don't need. So for example, we have this activity, Duolingo live activity file that we actually don't need. We only need the first file. So this is just for a simple widget. We can get rid of this. Then it will be complaining in this file. This is the entry point for the widget. We can just remove this and we can try to build the project. And yeah, we have the setup for this project.